Your first alert forecast, only on Fox 47 News at 10.
Now we'll get an extended look at our forecast, and if you were watching earlier today, I said I don't know if I'm just late, but I just today noticed that the leaves are finally starting to
They
turn.
really do come fast. I mean, over the weekend I noticed a little bit. Today I noticed a lot more. And of course, when you have so much dry weather, that really accelerates it. But it's all due to the lack of sunshine.
That explains it, because I was thinking I couldn't just just happened.
I would say it's a little later than normal than this year, but certainly it's happening fast. And I would say UP is probably at its peak the next 10 days, so it might be a good weekend to head up there, or the next one. We'll get our share probably in another 2 or 3 weeks. Everything will be of good color. So what we need is good weather to do all of that, and we're fine for a while. Unfortunately, it's going to rain on us. We do need some shower activity. Take a look at our numbers outside, and you can't beat that with a stick. At 10 o'clock at night, they're reading 63 in Lansing and Jackson and Charlotte and Mason and Howell. Everybody is at a temperature that's closer to our normal, which is right around 65, 66 degrees. That should be our normal high. So we're doing good in the overnight lows, and of course that means you don't have to kick on the furnace just yet. We may have to do that into the weekend. Cloud cover, well, it took a while to get rid of a lot of the low to mid-base clouds that we had earlier today. We are clear right now, but you know the fog's coming back tonight, so we will get back into that same cloud cover. Look at the high temperatures today where the sun was out. It was in the low 80s, just on the other side of Lake Michigan. They didn't have that low cloudiness and foggy conditions. And this, remember last week when we were in the 70s and warming up, they had all the warm weather out there as well. Just need that sun. Our winds will be out of a westerly direction, then northwest, and you see there's no cold air. So even though there's going to be a cold front coming through tonight, it's really unnoticed. A lot of sunshine again tomorrow afternoon and warming things up. Readings just a touch cooler on the other side of that front in the 50s. We'll have our high temperatures back in the mid to upper 70s for the daytime tomorrow. No real system with the front itself. It's just a wind shift line. And then the next front that comes in is going to come in from the south as a warm front. That one will have our first shot at showers, and that will be on Thursday. There's 2 areas of concern we're watching across the U.S. First of all, the moisture down here with this disturbance is starting to lift northward, and that's what's going to join up with that warm front. Not a ton of rain, but it will add to that front. Meanwhile, on the west coast, they've just been pounded by storm after storm in the last week or so. Just offshore is another low pressure, and that's coming on shore tonight there. And then we'll see that come slowly across the nation, and that is our weekend weather, which means rain, storms, and eventually colder temperatures. So let's start out with the front itself tonight. You see it moving southward. Cloud cover goes the same direction. Still some morning fog and low clouds. We'll get rid of those. The winds lightly out of the northwest. A little area high pressure carves out a nice little hole. So the sunshine in the afternoon should warm us up. I think about 77 will be the high temperature, and that's around 12 degrees above normal. Now that front that went south as a cold front is coming back as a warm front. What that will mean is increasing the cloud cover and our chances of showers in the morning hours. Could have some light rain showers to wake up to. Becoming much more scattered in the afternoon hours as that warm front starts to push north. But there'll be a few more chances again Thursday night, Friday morning. We're going to be in the muggier air. Temperatures will be well into the 70s right up through Saturday. It's the system that comes in from the west Saturday that promises to drop our temperatures, and you can see it really well on this upper level analysis. There it is on Thursday. It comes eastward. Not only does it bring a day's worth of rain on Saturday, it'll drop our temperatures to real fall-like numbers on Sunday. Scattered clouds and some patchy fog tonight, down to about 59 or 60 degrees. Our 1-800-Hanson's weather kit for tomorrow knows in the morning there'll be some clouds and fog, but all set for a nice warm afternoon with a high of 77 degrees. And as we head on into that 7-day outlook, 74 degrees with some clouds and showers on Thursday. Could see a few stray storms Friday, especially early. We almost hit 80 again. Saturday's the day that's kind of wet from start to finish. And even Sunday could have a shower, but the high temperatures drop like a rock and back into the upper 50s, low 60s Sunday. But next week, I do think we moderate again. This front that's going through is not the end of this. I think we'll get to 70 next week again. So
wow, so it's still got a little bit of that left.
Well,
in
at least the middle part of October should still be above normal, so that's good news.
That sounds great. Thank you. Get as much summer as we can.
We're
squeeze it all out.
in. Yep.
Thanks, Andy. Stay with us. We've got more for you coming up after this.
You're watching Fox 47 News at 10.